Hey everybody, it's Dr. Selfridge. I got a request recently to teach the Avengers theme on Alto Sax. I get a lot of requests on my videos. I don't always have time to get to all of them, but I had some time tonight and I figured I'd bang out a video real quick. So here's the Avengers theme for Alto Sax. We're going to learn two parts. There's the sort of intro slash bass line part, which goes like this. It's that part that starts with like the bass line, and then that keeps going and the melody comes in. The melody is... So let's learn those two parts. We'll start by learning the intro, and we'll learn it at a slower tempo. So here's the intro. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that intro is a little bit tricky. When you play it up at full speed, the 16th notes get a little bit fast, but you can do it with some practice. Here is the intro at full speed. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. After that intro slash bass line is played through, the melody comes in next. And here I'll play for you the melody at a slower tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here's the melody again at full tempo. It's about 120 beats per minute. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So there we have the intro slash bass line and the melody. So if you're playing this with a friend, actually that bass line, that thing we played at the beginning, keeps going through the whole song, and the melody comes in on top of it, so you can play it together, and it sounds pretty cool. So that's the Avengers theme. That's the first part of it. I mean, there's more to it, but that's just the first part of it. It's pretty easy to play. It's kind of fun, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Now go practice.